Well, good day, everybody. This is Connor with Honor. I'm a local agent here in Santa Clarita. This is my ongoing video series about how I look at property when I'm with my buyers. Today, I want to talk about the HVAC. That's going to be the air conditioning and heating system at the residences. Now, I'm not a home inspector, but when I go look at real estate, there are certain things that I look for when I'm with my buyers because these are potential points that are going to be looked at later once the home inspector goes to the property. Now, of course, super simple. On the super simple end of it, if you go to a property and it doesn't have a heater or an air conditioner, especially the heater, there could be an issue with regard to the loan. So if in fact you go to a house that's supposed to have a heater, some kind of a heater, and it's been removed or pulled out, well, Captain Obvious should at least point out to you, hey, this house doesn't have a heater, so this is something that needs to be talked about, needs to be brought up in conversation. So if they really like the house, my buyers, and the heater's been stolen or removed or is just totally demolished, then I'm going to be calling that listing agent and say, hey, did the seller kind of put in some kind of a thought or maybe into this process of putting a heater in the residence to be able to sell it at a later point? And then absolutely, that would be something to look for. But backing it up just a little bit, I've looked at so many residences. I've sold thousands of houses. When you look at these HVAC systems, you can do it without having to be intrusive as a real estate agent, as I do with my buyers. You go and you look at the unit itself. I mean, is it overgrown with plants surrounding it? Is it too close to some structure? Is it limiting the ability for the unit to breathe? Is it rusted? Does it look super old? Has it been sitting out in the sun for the last 20, 30 years? Are the cables and the coils and all of those items, or the hoses going to it, are they totally in need of repair? When you go inside and look at the system inside, has it look like it's been serviced, or is there a card on it that has a date stating 1972? These are things that we look for, and I educate my buyers and say, you know what? These could be issues. Also, if the house is built before a particular time, there could be asbestos, and if it's located inside of an interior cabinet, maybe the rest of the house was taken care of, but maybe that coating that's on the inside of the wall carries asbestos in it as well, and it's inside the HVAC closet. That's where this unit breathes. Something to consider. I'm Connor with Honor, Connor MacIver. When you're ready, reach out to me. I'd like to be your real estate agent, well, for life. This is an ongoing series that I have. You can just Google Connor with Honor. You'll find my YouTube channel. You'll see a lot of the different buyer benefits I give, talking about how I investigate real estate for the buyers that are utilizing my services. I'm Connor MacIver. Over and out.